Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are looking at something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is the 2026 concept Kenworth luxury motorhome machine that does not just push boundaries, it completely destroys them. This is not your grandfather's RV, this is a full-scale rolling mansion built on a Kenworth Peterbilt truck platform dripping in crimson metallic paint loaded with technology and designed to make 5-star hotels feel ordinary. So buckle up, because this one is going to be a ride. Let's start from the outside, because the first time you lay eyes on this beast, your jaw is going to hit the floor. The exterior is finished in a deep, rich crimson-red metallic paint that transitions seamlessly into brushed chrome silver accents. Along the lower body panels, the sheer scale of this vehicle is staggering that we are talking about a full double-decker body sitting on top of a Kenworth cab, rising well above 14 feet tall and stretching over 45 feet in total length. The front fascia features an aerodynamic curved roofline that sweeps over the cab, giving it that unmistakable futuristic silhouette you see in concept art but rarely ever in real life. The panoramic floor-to-ceiling tinted windows span the entire upper deck, and when the sun hits them, they reflect the sky like mirrored glass. On top of the vehicle you have an integrated solar panel array, a satellite communications dome, rooftop HVAC units, and an observation deck with chrome glass railings. On the passenger side, a retractable balcony extends outward, giving you a proper outdoor terrace experience wherever you park this thing. The wheels are 22-inch forged polished aluminum alloys with custom deep red brake calipers visible through the spokes. Even the wheels are dressed for the occasion. At night, the underbody LED lighting system illuminates the ground beneath in a warm orange glow, and the full LED exterior light signatures make this motorhome look like it belongs on a movie set, from front to back. This concept is a rolling piece of art. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where this motorhome truly earns its luxury title. The moment you walk through the wide double-panel entry door and climb the illuminated steps, you are greeted by a main living room that feels more like a Manhattan penthouse than a vehicle. The floor is laid in a real herringbone hardwood pattern, the ceilings are coffered with recessed LED lighting and a crystal chandelier at the center, and the walls are lined with custom mahogany cabinetry. A deep cream Italian leather L-shaped sofa dominates one side of the room, facing an 85-inch 8K curved OLED television built flush into the wall. The slide-out room extends the living space significantly. On the driver's side, and motorized privacy shades can be deployed across all panoramic windows at the touch of a button. The gourmet kitchen comes equipped with a 6-burner induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, wine refrigerator with glass display door, white marble countertops with a waterfall edge, and a farmhouse apron sink with brushed gold fixtures. Every surface, every detail, every material choice screams luxury without shouting about it. Moving to the master bedroom, you find a king-size bed with a deep charcoal velvet upholstered headboard, crisp white linen bedding, and built-in wireless charging nightstands on both sides. The master bathroom is a full spa experience. Walk-in rainfall shower with body jets, heated marble floors, floating dual vanity, backlit mirrors, and a bidet toilet seat. Then there is the upper deck lounge, which is honestly the crown jewel of this entire build. A curved caramel leather sectional sofa follows the arc of the panoramic glass wall up top, with 270-degree views of whatever landscape you have parked yourself in. There is a built-in bar, a secondary television, and direct access to that outdoor balcony we talked about. The driver cockpit is no less impressive, a full curved digital instrument cluster, multiple touchscreen displays, a heads-up display on the windshield, quilted leather captain's seat with crimson stitching, and ambient LED lighting throughout the cab in a red and white color scheme. On the performance side, the 2026 Kenworth concept rides on a heavy-duty Kenworth truck chassis paired with an air ride suspension system that smooths out the road remarkably well for a vehicle of this size and weight. Power comes from a diesel engine producing an estimated 600 horsepower and over 1,800 pound-feet of torque, routed through an automatic transmission. With 18 forward gears, that is enough muscle to keep this 40-plus foot luxury hotel moving confidently on highways and through mountain passes. The air brake system is fully upgraded, and the triple rear axle configuration ensures stability even when fully loaded. Fuel economy, as you would expect, is not the priority here. Range and comfort are. The rooftop solar array also feeds into the onboard battery system, powering all interior electronics and reducing generator dependence when parked. Now for the question everyone wants answered: the price. As a concept vehicle, Kenworth has not released an official retail figure, but custom builds of this nature from specialty coach builders typically start around $1 million and can climb to $2 million or beyond depending on specification choices, materials, and additional customization. You are essentially commissioning a one-of-one rolling luxury estate. So that is the 2026 concept Kenworth luxury motorhome. Bold on the outside, breathtaking on the inside, and built to move you in every sense of the word. That if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about this incredible machine. We will see you in the next one.